It's still up in the air until all the votes are counted. Y'all, it looks like it may be Friday, maybe even Saturday, before we know for sure who is our president. And everyone is wondering and predicting, if Trump loses, will he peacefully step down from office? Only time will tell, but I do think he will. That being said, this whole election process will be tied up in lawsuits for a long time, and that's from both sides. Get ready for the lawsuits. Trump don't want the mail-in votes to be counted if they came in after last night. But you know, he says they're trying to rig the election. And they could be, who knows. But I do know if I was running for president, I would want every single vote counted, no matter how long it took. What he's failing to understand is those votes may be the votes that he needs. He'll never know if they're not counted. Y'all, if it was all over today and we all we got was rainbows and lollipops, I still believe stimulus checks will not come out until the end of January or into February. Sad but true. It's because they do not care about the American people. I mean, why would they be in a rush to do it after the elections? They have nothing to gain. And you know that's the only thing they worry about, what they have to gain or their rich friends and family has to gain. They don't care anything about us. And I do believe that that's from both sides. Y'all, we will get out of this. It's going to take a long time. We're not out of the woods yet by no stretch of the means. That's why I say all the time, pray to God that He will heal our country, heal our leaders, and give them the wisdom and the compassion to do the right things. Also, please pray for our people that's been hurt by COVID. Please pray for our people that's been hurt by our government. Y'all, this is supposed to be the best country in the world. And I do believe it still is. But right now, they're not acting like it. Other countries are taking far much better care of their people than ours even attempts to. And that's from both sides. One side is no better than the other side, in my opinion. All they all do is point fingers, sit back, and lie. It's from both sides, and it's apparent. It's apparent that they don't care about us as long as they get what they want. I mean, look how many times they've helped Wall Street and their rich friends out. Have you gotten anything? It's been 6 months since you got a stimulus check. That's proof that they don't care. But you know, I know someone that does care, and that's Jesus Christ. He will get us through this. Y'all just have to pray for His guidance and His grace. I love you all. I don't know if I'll make another video today or not. If something drastic happens, I will. But if I don't, please come back at 10 p.m. tonight for Late Night with Walter. On that show, we do not talk politics and we do not talk stimulus. And if you ask a stimulus or a politic question, I won't answer those. I love you all. Until then, ciao.